Okay, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Mukhang natapos natin Okay, I'm happy that we finished this course, and I'm particularly happy that we have local government units here. I've always believed that local governments are one of the two propellers of this biplane called Philippines, which means that if the other propeller engine is not working so well, it's really the local governments that carry on and maintain us through disasters and adversities. So local governments are very important, and I want you to realize that so that we can do more. According to the Singaporeans, you need 100 hours per person per year of training to stay competent in your job. I think, what, 14 hours? 14 hours. And so that's just 2 days out of 2.5 weeks each. And it's not only for the middle level people, it's for the bosses all the way to the janitors. They have to learn something new. And I want you to remember that, because if you don't get it from government or your offices, you have to do it yourself. 2.5 weeks of new ideas where you also share. And I think we want to give you the sense that that is the standard that we are looking for. Because how can we compete with other peoples, other nations, when they do 2.5 weeks per person per year, and we do two days? I mean, just like in basketball practice, if you don't have enough practice, you're going to lose. So that's the first message. The other message is, we did not bring you here just to listen to you and you listening to us for 2 days. This is just an acquaintance party, right? We have to continue these conversations because sayang yung puhunan natin ng 2 araw. And we are going to give you the facility. We are putting up a project management website. It's on the internet. You will be invited to sign in, to log in. But this is going to be a facility where we in this group will be able to put in our files, give comments, give messages, and continue this conversation, especially on these things that you have. But the basic idea there is, this is your charging station. Charging for what? We want you to be policy advocates. We want you to be speakers. We want you to go out there and be trainers yourselves. Many of the things that you saw here, more than half of that, you can even impart yourselves. You've heard it, and since many of you sing karaoke, you know that if you have the lyrics, you can sing the song, right? So let's do it karaoke style. You go home to your local governments, tell the mayor, I want to organize a forum, or if there is a forum anyway on Monday flag ceremony, you say, I'm going to speak for 15 minutes. Diba? There are a lot of things you can do. And the website that we will provide will be your charging station. This is where you will get your PowerPoint presentations if you want them. This is where you have the reference materials. This is where you get the practice. If you have new ideas, you practice it on your fellows, and we will give you these ideas. The idea is, with this backstop, you should be able to be trainers yourselves, you'll be able to impart, and you should be able to talk in meetings, right, where decisions are made. And you will be able to also give better advice to your bosses so that they take the right decisions. That's what we want to do here. This is just an acquaintance party. It does not end here. And we have another portal here. It's called inclusivemobility.net. So you might want to look at it. And we will have additional trickle charge materials for you that you can read. We also are coming up with a contest on social innovation and social enterprise in the area of inclusive mobility, and you might want to look at the information so you can join, or you can let other people know about it. But as they say, if you don't pedal the bicycle, it will flounder, right? Kailangan pinipedal yung bisikleta, hindi pwedeng coasting along. And I think in our group, we must pedal, we have to pitch in, we have to contribute to the discussion, to the conversation, because in the end, our value in our organization depends on how much and how intelligently we talk about the issues that we discussed today, right? So we want to do that, and hopefully we can contribute to the tipping point where ideas get translated into action. Filipinos, we have too many good ideas. We aim well, but we do not fire, right? Now we should aim well and we should fire. And the only way you can get to the firing point is to reach the tipping point. And the tipping point is contributing ideas incrementally across a group. Hindi pwedeng ikaw lang ang nag-iisip. Ang problema ng progress is it demands that we put together our ideas incrementally until they become such a condition that there is a spontaneous combustion, right? And that's what we want to do. So please, my last words is, I'll see you on the internet. Okay? Thank you.